Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Hermosa Flor Cosmetics Violet Eyeshadow Palette. So if you guys want to hear all the details on this palette, then please keep on watching. So to start off already, I am in love with this packaging. So this is violet, y'all know purple's my favorite color, and they just fall part of the same family tree, okay? And this is my first time actually trying out Hermosa Flor Cosmetics, so honestly I am very impressed already. So Hermosa Flor is actually a Spanish word and it means beautiful flower. I saw that on their website, so that was pretty cool to know. So as you open it, it has a compact mirror, which I am very happy about. I don't like having two things in my hands, so one being a mirror and then the other being the eyeshadow palette. It's very frustrating, so this has just made it very easy to do your eyeshadow, which is great. As you can see, the colors are stunning, and I just swatched a few of the colors and you can see that the colors are so pigmented. I am in love. So we have love, affection, modesty, faith, nobility, intuition, dignity, faithfulness, worthy, admire, spirituality, appreciation. Very cute names for these colors. I'm going to start doing my eyes, and I'm going to take the color Modesty and I'm gonna apply that in the crease area. It is pigmented. I love this. It's such a beautiful brown, and I feel like it sort of has an orange tint to it. It is lovely. I can blend it out so easily. I am really enjoying this color. Next, I'm going to take the color Worthy. So this is more of a darker brown, but it also has that maroon tint to it, and we're just going to apply that in the outer corners. So we're going to create a smoky eye towards the end. It's very nice, beautiful, very pigmented. I am so impressed, but definitely you want to not be too generous with the Worthy color because it is quite dark, so less is definitely more. And now I am just blending those colors together just so that it looks seamless, it looks beautiful, and it doesn't stand out as separate colors. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shimmer shade called Admire, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Wow, the color payoff is amazing. I didn't even have to apply concealer on my eyelids. As you can see, it is doing all the work. It is beautiful. As you can see on the actual eyeshadow palette, it looks gold, but when I start to apply it, it starts to become iridescent, sort of purple-like, which is very beautiful. And I guess it is taking on, you know, the theme of this palette, which is violet. So I am so happy. I am loving it. So I just sprayed my brush just to pick up the eyeshadow really nicely, and as you can see, it is packing on beautifully. I'm just going to blend everything together, apply a bit more of Worthy onto the corners, blend it out, and yeah, that is about it. Now I'm going to take Love. This is beautiful white eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corners just to brighten up the inner corners a little bit, and also I'm going to apply it on my underneath the brow bone just to lift up the brow and to give it some shape. This is the final look. Guys, I am so happy with this eyeshadow palette. You are definitely getting your money's worth with this. I will leave the price on the screen because I can't remember exactly how much it cost, but I saw it before the launch and I was like, I definitely have to get this palette. So I got it the day it launched and I do not regret that one bit. This palette is beautiful. I love the shades, really pigmented as you saw from my swatches. It has a mirror, which is great, and it's really gonna last me a long time. So this is definitely an eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be picking up more often. So because our eyes are very busy, I just decided to pair it with a nude lip just to keep things nice and simple. If you are ever in doubt, go nude. It is the best color combination ever that you can do. So just to rate this eyeshadow palette, honestly, I'm probably gonna give it like a 10 out of 10. That's how much I love it. Maybe I'm a little bit biased because the purple, the violet, you know, but honestly guys, the packaging is beautiful. The mirror, I love that the eyeshadows also have names. I really like that. And also the variety of colors in here, and also the price point. I think it is a steal. So I give this a yes, tick. I am very happy with this. If you guys would love to purchase this, then please go to Hermosa Flor Cosmetics. They have a website, they also have an Instagram page, and yeah, check them out. I definitely am going to be buying more products. I want to get their brushes, and I heard their lipsticks are really good quality, so I definitely want to get my hands on those. But yeah, I'm very happy as a first-time customer. Thank you so much for watching this review. Please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think of this palette. Is it something that you would like to buy? Do you think it is worth your money? Let me know. Our subscriber for the week goes to Buntle Tanyane. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys haven't done that already, hit the red button down below. It is free of charge, and please give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup. If you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow palette review, then please do check out my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation review.